What's up, boys and girls? This is Roshina Zehra, and welcome to a new episode of iGyan's While You Were Out.
Okay, let's go.
In today's top stories, Samsung and Xiaomi are all set to incorporate a 3D touch-like technology in their future devices. Now, 3D Touch was made popular by Apple and its latest iPhones, and it operates on 3 layers of touch. Samsung's next flagship device, which is Galaxy S7, all set to hit the markets in Jan next year, is expected to have this feature. Similarly, rumors have also emerged from China about Xiaomi working on the same technology, which could be the reason for the delayed announcement of the Mi 5. Even though it was launched earlier this year in March and rolled out in a few countries in April, the Apple Watch is finally coming to India on the 6th of November. It comes in two variants, that is a 38mm one and a 42mm one. And even though it's priced at $349 in the US, thanks to custom duties and taxes, the starting price is expected to be around $35,000. The Apple Watch has an IPX7 rating, which means that you can submerge it underwater for up to 1 meter for as long as 30 minutes. As much as we want the gold variant of the watch, it is highly unlikely that it will make an appearance in India. One of the coolest additions to the tech world this year has got to be Nextbit's new phone called the Robin. The most epic thing about this device is that it's entirely crowdfunded and it managed to raise over $1.5 million. Another cool thing about this phone is that it automatically backs up all your data, thereby leaving your phone memory free and empty. On the specs front, the phone packs a 13-megapixel rear camera, a 5-megapixel front camera, a 5.2-inch Full HD display with a 3GB of RAM, 32GB of inbuilt storage, which is auto-backed up to a 100GB cloud. You also get Qualcomm Snapdragon 808 chipset. The phone is currently priced at $399 and is up for pre-orders. If you're planning to order from India, remember to add a whole lot of duties, shipping charges and taxes. In other news, On 5 and On 7, the two budget phones by Samsung have been launched in China. The phones are very similar in their specs with a 1.5GB of RAM, 5-megapixel of front camera, 8GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 128GB. On the rear camera front, On 7 has a 13-megapixel, whereas On 5 has 8-megapixel. The On 5 has an Exynos chipset marked at 1.3 GHz. Strangely enough, this is higher than the On 7's chipset, which is marked at 1.2 GHz. The two phones are priced at $200 for the On 7, which is close to 13,000 rupees, and $150 for On 5, which is close to about 10,000 rupees. The phones are expected to come to India early next month. Every year, people queue up in thousands to buy the new iPhones. However, this year in India, it has been a disappointing opening weekend for Apple. Out of a total of 1.65 lakh units, Apple managed to sell only 50,000 units. This could be because of the major price difference in the devices here and abroad, which is about 20,000 rupees. Would you be willing to buy a device in the country at such a high price, or would you rather buy it from the grey market? Do let us know in the comments below. That's it for the day, guys. But before you go, do check out Bharat's new video on Let's Game, iGyan's new gaming initiative. We'll give you more updates soon. This has been Roshina Zehra for iGyan's Vivo. If you have any tech-related questions for me, do leave them in the comments below or put them on Twitter with the hashtag Vivo. Connect with us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all these social media platforms. And yes, until next time, in technology we trust. This phone is the fact that it's a
What is the first epic thing about this phone?
thing about this device. Why am I stuttering? Cloud storage phone, which